suffering, there was liberation.
At the end of my suffering, there was a new conception.
At the end of my suffering, I found sobriety and freedom.
At the end of my suffering, I got a new perspective.
At the end of my suffering, there was a life I imagined.
At the end of my suffering, a feeling of suffocation.
At the end of my suffering, there was a light.
At the end of my suffering, I felt a divine spark.
At the end of my suffering, I found my purpose.
At the end of my suffering, there was a struggle.
At the end of my suffering, I found a new beginning.